Welcome to lecture number 4. First example is d square plus 1 multiplied by y is equal to 0. Now again first this equation is in terms of d, so directly we can simplify it. Auxiliary equation is replace d by m, so m square plus 1 is equal to 0. M square is equal to minus 1. M is equal to plus minus square root of minus 1. Plus minus square root of minus 1. Square root of minus 1 is imaginary term I. So it is plus minus I. Now roots are imaginary. If the roots are imaginary, equate this plus minus I with alpha plus minus I beta. What is alpha? Alpha value is 0 because here no term is present. So alpha is equal to 0 and beta is equal to 1. So how to write CF? CF can be written as e to the power alpha x in bracket c1 cos beta x plus c2 sin beta x. So this is e to the power alpha is 0. So 0 into x is 0. C1 cos of beta value is 1 plus C2 sin beta value is 1. So sin x. Now this is CF and right hand side is 0. So this is nothing but the independent variable y. So y is equal to e to the power 0 is 1 C1 cos of x plus C2 sin x. So this is the solution of a given differential equation. Now next example is d square plus 3d plus 3 multiplied by y is equal to 0. Again write down first auxiliary equation m square plus 3m plus 3 it is equal to 0. Now what are the roots? Here directly we cannot evaluate root because it is not in complete square form or directly we get roots. So we use quadratic equation formula, that is m is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So minus b. What are the values of a, b, c? A is coefficient of m square which is 1. B is equal to coefficient of m 3 and c is equal to constant. So 3. So substitute here m is equal to minus b, that is minus 3 plus minus b square 9 minus 4a into c. So 3 divided by 2a 2. So this is equal to minus 3 plus minus square root of 9 minus 12 divided by 2. So it is equal to minus 3 plus minus square root of 9 minus 12. It is minus 3. Minus 3 divided by 2. So this is equal to minus 3 plus minus square root of 3 is remain as it is. So root of 3 as it is and root of minus 1 is nothing but I divided by 2. So here we get minus 3 by 2 plus minus root 3 by 2 multiplied by I. This is our m. Now compare this m with the alpha plus minus beta I. What is alpha value and beta value? Alpha is minus 3 by 2 and beta is equal to root 3 by 2. So substitute in imaginary complementary function. So CF is equal to e to the power alpha x in bracket c1 cos beta x, this is general, plus c2 sin beta x. You can write directly also. So this is equal to e to the power. E to the power alpha value is minus 3 by 2 x in bracket c1 cos of beta, beta is root 3 by 2x plus c2 sin of root 3 by 2x. c2 sine root 3 by 2x, and again right hand side is 0, but while observing right hand side you should observe this dependent variable also. Here it is y, so y is equal to e to the power minus 3 by 2x c1 cos root 3 by 2x plus c2 sine root 3 by 2x. Next example, that is d cube y by dx cube plus 8y, it is equal to 0. So again d by dx, it is equal to operator d. So this can be written as d cube y plus 8y equal to 0. So d cube plus 8 multiplied by y equal to 0. Now find out auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation is d cube plus 8 is equal to 0. d cube is plus 8 is equal to 0. Now it can be written as d cube plus 2 cube is equal to 0. Now what is the formula for a cube plus b cube? A cube plus b cube is a plus b, that is d plus 2 multiplied by d square minus ab. So 2d plus b square, that is 4. This is equal to 0. Now equate it to 0, it is d plus 2 is equal to 0 and d square minus 2d plus 4 is equal to 0. So d is equal to minus 2 and d square minus 2d plus 4, so this is d minus 2 whole square is equal to 0. Is it d minus 2 whole square? No, because this is minus 4d. If here we have minus 4d, then only it is d minus 2 whole square. Now how to find out roots of this equation? Use my d is equal to minus b plus minus b. B value is minus 2 plus minus square root of b square 4 minus 4ac divided by 2a. So simplify it, it is equal to 2 plus minus 4 minus 16, that is minus 12 divided by 2. So we get d is equal to minus 2 and d is equal to 2 plus minus square root of 12 can be written as minus 4 into 3 divided by 2. Now this is 2 plus minus square root of 4 is 2 and square root of 3 as it is, and root of minus 1 is I divided by 2. So divide this by 2, it is 1 plus minus root 3i. Now compare this d with alpha 1 plus minus root 3i with alpha plus minus beta I. What are the values of alpha and beta? Alpha is 1 and beta is root 3. So alpha is equal to 1, beta is equal to root 3. Now substitute in imaginary roots. So CF is equal to e to the power. Now we have three roots here. First root is minus 2, another root is alpha 1 plus minus root 3i. So total three roots we have, minus 2, 1 plus root 3i and 1 minus root 3i. So first root is real. We can write it as c1 e to the power m1 x. Plus another two roots are imaginary, so it is e to the power alpha x. Alpha is 1 in bracket, c1 is over, so we write c2 cos of beta x plus c3 sine of beta x. So this is the CF. Again right hand side is the solution. Right hand side is 0, so y is the solution. Was c1 e to the power minus 2x plus e to the power x, c2 cos of root 3x plus c3 sine root 3x. This is the solution for a given differential equation. Thank you.